Where are you going to be? Please welcome from Kansas State University and Longview Community College, Ringtones.
Everything was ours, we were so happy, so happy. Once upon a time, a girl with moonlight in her eyes put her hand in mine and said she loved me so. But that was once upon a time, so very long ago. Once upon a hill we sat beneath a willow tree, counting all the stars and waiting for the dawn. But that was once upon a time. Now the tree is gone. Now it's gone. How the breeze ruffled through her hair. How we always laughed as though tomorrow wasn't there. We were young and didn't have a care. Tell me, where did it go? Once upon a time, the world was sweeter than we knew. Everything was ours. How happy we were then, but somehow, once upon a time, never comes this way again. One, two, three. The man who only lives for making money lives a life that isn't necessarily sunny. Likewise, the man who works for fame, there's no guarantee that time won't erase his name. What was his name? The fact is, the only work that really brings enjoyment is the kind that is for girl and boy meant. Fall in love, you won't regret it. That's the best work of all if you can get it. Come on, let's get it. Holding hands at midnight beneath the starry sky. Nice work if you can get it, and you can get it if you try. Or you go strolling with the one girl, sighing sigh after sigh. Nice work if you can get it, and you can get it if you try. just imagine someone waiting at the cottage door. And when two hearts become one, who could ask for anything more? Loving one who loves you, and then taking that vow. Nice work if you can get it, and if you get it, won't you tell me how? Why don't you tell me how? Won't you tell me how? Now just imagine someone waiting at the cottage door. When two hearts become one, who could ask for anything more? Loving one, the one who loves you, and then taking that vow. Nice work if you can get it, and if you get it, won't you tell me? Nice work if you can get it, oh, won't you tell